Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and operate your F820 outdoor GPS dog fence. But first, let me tell you a little bit more about this genius dog fence system. The product is designed to activate a warning, tone, vibration, and static stimulation when your pet goes beyond the set distance range. Once your pet returns to the safe distance range, the product will stop any warning signals. So cool, right? And its features include intelligent AI scene recognition technology, multiple protective functions to prevent accidental harm, and ideal to use in environments with a circular range of 25 to 999 yards. Okay, so when you open the box, you'll find a user manual, one outdoor GPS dog fence system, 10 boundary flags, a static stimulation test light, a magnetic charging cable, and lastly, 2 pairs of contact points. Now I'm going to quickly run you through the product interface along with showing you what all the buttons do to avoid confusion. The multi-function button is used to turn the device on and off as well as to adjust the mode. The center point button is used to set the center point and adjust the safe radius distance. And the up and down buttons are used to adjust the distance of the safe radius. Now on to icons. This number indicates the current distance from the center point. This icon represents the GPS strength signal. This icon is displayed when the center point is successfully positioned. This icon indicates the vibration mode is on, and this icon represents the static stimulation mode is on. This icon represents the level strength, and lastly, this icon represents protection mode. Moving on to how to charge the device. Note: please charge the device fully before using. Connect the magnetic charging cable port with the charging port, and the product can be charged once they are absorbed to each other. A red light indicates the product is being charged, and the green light indicates the product is fully charged. Next up, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the training collar. Start by installing the contact points to the device by twisting them into the slots, and use the test light to tighten the static stimulation column. Now I'm going to break down how the collar works. Step 1. Press and hold the M button for about 3 seconds to turn on and off the product. Step 2. The product will take 3 to 5 minutes to search for GPS signals after the product is turned on. When the signal is found and it is 3 bars or higher, you can move on to the next step. Step 3. Then you can set the center point on the device. To do this, when the screen is lit up, press and hold the positioning button until the screen displays the positioning icon and 000. Step 4. A super cool thing about this product is it has an automatic memory function that saves the last center point and safety radius upon startup. Note: to ensure optimal accuracy, it is recommended to reset the center point and the safety radius every 5 days. Step 5. After the successful positioning of the center point in Step 3, please click the positioning button again, and the distance icon along with the distance number will start flashing on the screen. Then, press the up or down button to adjust the desired safe radius distance between 25 to 999 yards. The distance will automatically be confirmed after 5 seconds. Step 6. How to measure the distance. The number of yards displayed on the screen is a distance from the established center point to the current location. If you were unsure of the exact radius, you can measure it by using the collar. After successfully setting the center point, simply walk to the desired boundary position. The collar will display on the screen in the distance in yards from the established center point to your current location. Step 7. To activate the product, turn it on and press the M button. Once the collar is activated, select the desired mode of vibration or static stimulation by pressing the M button again to confirm. Step 8. Automatic mode. The product factory default setting is automatic mode plus static stimulation. The level cannot be adjusted in the automatic mode in the cycle. Warning is from level 1 to level 5 by default. Step 9. How to test the static stimulation function. In automatic mode, the device issues a warning sound, vibration, and static stimulation. The first time it exceeds the distance, please attach the test light tool to the contact points of the device. When the static stimulation function is triggered, the test light will turn on. Step 10. Description of protection mode. When your pet goes beyond the safe set radius distance range, the product will be triggered to work and give the first warning cycle, consisting of 5 levels of tone, vibration, and static stimulation. After the 5th level, the first cycle ends, and the product enters the protection mode for 1 minute, emitting sound only. After the end of the protection mode, if your pet has not returned to the safe area, the product will give the second cycle, consisting of 5 levels of tone, vibration, and static stimulation. After the end of the 5th level of the 2nd cycle, the tone warning will continue until the battery runs out or your pet returns to the safety area. Step 11, how to safely put the collar on your dog. Turn off the receiver and ensure your dog is in a comfortable standing position before placing the collar. Position the receiver at the center of your dog's neck with the switch button facing upward and the contact points aligned with the throat. Ensure you can comfortably insert a finger between the collar and your dog's neck. And lastly, let's quickly go over safety precautions. Number 1, avoid prolonged or tight wearing of the collar on your dog's neck to prevent skin irritation. Number 2, ensure your dog doesn't wear the collar for more than 12 hours in one day. Number 3, adjust the collar position on your dog's neck every 2 to 3 hours. Number 4, regularly check the collar's tightness to prevent excess pressure. Number 5, do not attach a leash to the collar in order to avoid excess pressure on the device. Number 6, clean your pet's neck area and the contact points regularly. Number 7, daily inspect the contact area for any signs of rashes or discomfort. Number 8, if you notice any rash or discomfort, discontinue using the product until it heals. If symptoms persist for over 48 hours, immediately seek veterinary care. If you watched this far, that means you made it to the end of this instructional video. Yay! Thank you for watching to the end and happy training.